What is this? Look at that, bro. This is amazing. And what is this? This is wow, RAM. This is RAM, 8 GB of RAM, and 8 GB of RAM here for my laptop, HP laptop on 2019. Wow, look at the box. Get ready for the unboxing. And wait, look at that, DDR4. This is DDR3 for my beautiful laptop. Okay, get ready for that. I want to put this into my laptop. Get ready, bro. Get ready. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and get ready for more videos like that. Okay, follow me. Let me show you how to replace your beautiful DDR3, DDR4, okay, on your laptop, HP laptop, for example. Follow me. Okay, firstly, you need to have, where are you going? You need to have this, okay, to remove the backup of your beautiful laptop. Let's do it. Okay, now you can see I'll turn my PC, my laptop. Now you can do this to remove like that. Wonderful battery, and you have many information about this laptop here. Okay, now you need also to remove this, okay, like that, just like that. Remove, okay, and oh, is it good? No, it's not good. Try again. Wonderful. And now open this right now and get ready to change your beautiful RAM. Okay, upgrade your RAM right now. Get ready to do this. Look at that. Amazing. You have here 4 GB of RAM, 4 GB. Okay, I want to add another. You can remove like that. Remove this like that. Okay, wonderful, beautiful. Number one, wonderful. The second is on there. Okay, do this. Remove again. Number two. Wonderful, beautiful. You can turn. Okay, amazing. The both are here. Okay, as you can see, it's good. And now we have the new. The new is here. The new are here. Now let's go on my Studio B for the unboxing. Okay, welcome back on my Studio B. Let's subscribe and share and get ready. This is the first RAM. This is the second RAM. Okay, get ready. You have many information about this. Yeah. Now let's go to the unboxing of the first. Okay. Unboxing. Wonderful, beautiful. Can you see this? Great. Look at that. You have DDR3 here. Okay, this is good. This is good. 8 GB of RAM here. 8 GB. Look at that. Almost the same with the 3 GB of RAM. Look at the both here. And second one thing. Okay, wonderful. This is the first. Now let's open the second box. Wonderful. Open this like that. Okay, wonderful. Open the box. Open also this like that. Okay, great. Now you have Also this 8 GB of RAM, 8 GB here. Okay, 8 GB, almost the same informations. Look at that. Great. Look at that. 8 GB here and 8 GB here. Okay. Now let's put this on the laptop. Okay, let's put this on the laptop and get ready for that. Wow, this is amazing. Look at also this. Look at that. This is 4 GB of RAM, 4 GB of RAM also, and you can put this here. Wow, what is amazing. This is amazing, bro. Great, thank you. Now let's go for the upgrading. Follow me. Okay, welcome. Number 1, you need to put the first under, and the second, let me to show you, is empty. You can put the first here like that. Can you see this? Great. And do this. Take the second and do the same action like that. Be careful. Be careful. Second. Oh, it's not here, it's here. Excuse me. Okay, look at that. Wonderful. And do this. Wonderful. You have now both 8 GB, 8 GB and 8 GB. Okay, thank you. Now get ready. Get ready. Wow, this is amazing. Look at the old. Look at the old. 8 GB of RAM. Prefer the 4 GB. And look at the new. Upgrade it. Done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and get ready for more videos like that. Now you can put your beautiful things here and turn on your laptop. Let me do this.